Okay, so now we're going to look at how to solve and find the area of an irregular shape. So this one right here, we have, it's not just a rectangle, it's actually an irregular hexagon. So how do we find the area of that? Well, we're going to start off just like we did on the perimeter, okay? We're going to figure out what these question marks are. So I'm going to start with the first question mark right here that's going on the vertical line up and down. And I'm going to find the other lines that are vertical, which would be the 9 centimeters and the 3 centimeters. Okay, and then what we're going to do, just like on the perimeter, we're going to, because we know a whole and we know a part, we're going to subtract to find the other part. So 9 minus 3 is 6 centimeters. Now let's do the same thing for the horizontal lines. We have a question mark here, and then we have 12 centimeters up here and 5 centimeters down here. So again, to find this part right here, we're going to take the 12 minus 5, which would give us 7 centimeters. All right. Now here's where it's going to be a little different. Because this is an irregular shape, I'm going to actually make it into 2 rectangles. And I'm going to do that by drawing a line or putting a line right down here through the middle. So let's start by finding this rectangle on the right. I'm going to call that the pink rectangle, okay? So remember, the formula for area is length times width. So the length here would be 5, and the width is 9. So I'm going to do 5 times 9, and 5 times 9 is 45 centimeters, okay? So we know the area for the pink is 45 centimeters. Now let's find the area for the blue. Again, we're going to do length times width. Now we're not going to use this 12 here because that 12 is actually for the blue and the pink. So we're going to use this length right here, which was our question mark, which I forgot to add on here, sorry, is 7 centimeters. Okay, so that's 7 centimeters. So I'm going to do 7 times the 3 for the width. So 7 times 3 is 21 centimeters. Now, to find the area of this entire figure, the pink and the blue together, all I would do is take the 21 and the 45 and put it together. So 21 plus 45 equals 66 centimeters. So the area for this entire shape, the pink and blue together, is 66 centimeters.